In this lesson, you will learn how to solve division problems using multiplication strategies. You can solve division using multiplication because the two operations are related. As you will see in this example, multiplication is used to find the total. So for instance, if you have 5 groups of 6, the total is 5 times 6, or 30. To multiply, you set the number sentence up like this. Number in each group times the number of groups equals the total number of objects. So like you just saw in that example, 30 was the total number of objects, or the product. Now let's look at the related operation to multiplication, division. Division is used to break a larger number into groups. So if you have 30 and 6 are in each group, then the number of groups is 30 divided by 6, or 5. Division is also used to find the number in each group. So if you have 30 divided into 5 groups, then the number in each group is 30 divided by 5, or 6. Now that you know how to set up a division problem, let's look at some division vocabulary. Each number in a division equation has a name. You have the dividend divided by the divisor equals the quotient. So in the two examples that you just looked at, you have the dividend of 30 divided by 6, the divisor, equals 5, the quotient, or the divisor here is 5 and the quotient is 6, but the dividend doesn't change. Either way you look at it, you want to keep in mind that all of these equations are related because they use the same numbers, 30, 6, and 5. Now that you know how to set up a division problem and you know division vocabulary, let's work on solving your first problem. Find the quotient for 48 divided by 6. First, you want to pick a division sentence. In this case, you have 48 is the total number of objects divided by the number of groups, and you're looking for the number in each group. That's going to be the quotient. So you want to write a related multiplication sentence to make this easier. You're going to ask yourself, what times 6 equals 48? Now think really hard to remember your multiplication facts. What times 6 equals 48? 8 times 6 equals 48. So if 8 times 6 equals 48, then 48 divided by 6 equals 8. 8 is your missing quotient up here. See how we use multiplication to help us solve a division problem? Let's try again. You are going to solve 84 divided by 12, so you're looking for the quotient. Again, pick a division sentence. Here 84 is the total, 12 is the number of groups, and you're looking for the number in each group. You want to write a related multiplication sentence. In this case, what times 12 equals 84? Let's try out a couple numbers thinking about your multiplication facts. 5 times 12 equals 60. That doesn't work because 60 is too low. 10 times 12 equals 120. 120 is too high. So you want to think of something that's maybe closer to 5, since that answer was a little bit closer to 84. Let's try 7. 7 times 12 equals 84. There you go. So if 7 times 12 equals 84, then 84 divided by 12 equals 7. Your quotient is 7. Awesome! You got it down. Now you know how to use multiplication facts to help you solve division problems.